Hi, we received some questions regarding chat deep links. So what are deep links and how can you use them for your Flyweight AI chatbot for Shopify? To demonstrate the deep links, we have prepared an example. You can see this chat with me button up here. I'm going to click it and it opens the chat automatically with an initial message, hi. So the AI is just going to reply on this message and is greeting the customer. How does this work? For that, we are switching to the URL up here. And you can see there's this new Flyweight chat parameter with the initial message we just saw in the chat, which is hi. So basically what you can do is you can put this Flyweight chat parameter behind any shop URL you want. The only condition is that you have the Flyweight AI chat activated in your store. And you can also decide what you want to put as an initial message. And this gives you a lot of power because you can use it for different support cases or also for advice and recommendations. I will show you in a second. First, we will check out one support case. Imagine a customer is asking you about an order tracking link. So for example, in this case, the customer is asking he can't find his order tracking link and asks if we can send it to him again. Now we don't need to search for any orders or tracking links. We can simply reply with this Flyweight chat deep link. You can see it down here. And the message behind the parameter is just, where is my order? So it will route the customer directly to the order tracking function within the chat. And how this is looking, I will just copy this URL and I will switch back to the chat. I will close the chat. So we have a fresh example and I'm going to execute. You will see it is pasting in the where's my order question and the AI directly replies with this form for the customer. So the customer could just enter his order number and zip code or email address to receive the order tracking information. And the only thing we had to do was just sending him this deep link. But it can go even further than that. You can also combine it, for example, with a custom routing to give product recommendations on the link click. I will show you how. For this example, we adapted our Contact Us page. And now you have this section up here. So we are asking the customer if they need any help, if they, for example, need a personalized recommendation. And here we also have a deep link which just pastes in the question, I'm looking for a snowboard, into the chat. And then like the recommendation and sales process is starting. To get the best result, we created a custom routing for it. So just before I'm clicking on this deep link here, I will show you the custom routing behind it. For that, we are switching to our Shopify app and going down here under routings, and in the custom routing section, here's like the custom routing, and we have the same message as in the deep link, which is I'm looking for a snowboard. The instruction to the AI is that before giving any specific recommendations, the AI should always ask, okay, what is your skill level with the snowboard? And where are you going to ride the snowboard? Because based on that, we can give the best recommendation. So in combination with the deep link, we can make sure that if someone is clicking on this link, we will paste in exactly this question, I'm looking for a snowboard, which is matching with this when asked about part. And the AI is first checking for these conditions. So let's go and click on this point here. And you can see the chat will open with this question and the AI will reply, hey, first I need your skill level and where do you want to use it? So I'm just going to reply with beginner and park. And only based on that, we will get like a personalized recommendation for our driving level, which is in this case, 2 different snowboards, especially made for beginners. So you can see you can use the deep links for a lot of different cases. And I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, just let us know. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.